Welcome to my Deluxe Balcony Stateroom on Deck 14 of MSC World America. Let's start with the bed, which was super comfy and it can actually be converted into twin beds if needed. Next up is the bathroom. It's compact but modern with the glass shower and all of the essentials that you need for a comfy cruise. Right across is the desk area, perfect if you need to get a little work done or do your makeup right before dinner. Above is a flat screen TV with all of the cruise info and entertainment you could want. There's also a cozy little couch, great for relaxing before heading out to explore the ship. The closet space was pretty generous with shelves, hangers, and a safe to stash all of your valuables. And of course, the highlight of the stateroom was the balcony. I love waking up to the ocean views and having my morning coffee right out here. It's the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the sea breeze. Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, what do you think? Would you stay in a balcony room like this on your next cruise? Let me know in the comments.